Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make a click and point game for you. Now choose your own character to appear that. Change the background if you want. Now let's go script there. Type, I found, and write your sprite or scratches. Go to Control to add seconds. Type 0.1. Put block behind seconds. Remove her body or however they say and add text like, find the and type of sprite's name. Now let's fix it. Now it's still working.